For this activity, you are going to look at some behavioral evidence in order to determine whether cnidarians are predators. So for this activity, there's first a quick sort of warm-up question. Do you think they're herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores, and why? Then there is a video about an anemone to watch, and then a graph that shows how much a jellyfish extends its tentacles compared to the number of times a jellyfish will twitch its tentacles. And some questions for you to answer about that. Then there is a short article to read about that experiment and what the researchers find and why they think the jellyfish extend and twitch their tentacles. And based on your explorations, you're going to write a claim evidence reasoning paragraph answering the question, are cnidarians predators? Yes or no, your claim. You need to include observations from the videos, the article, and the graph, and then the reasoning. So for each piece of evidence you find, you need to explain how that proves that cnidarians are or are not predators. So this is the toughest part, but you gotta explain like why twitching the tentacles makes it a predator or not a predator, or how some of the behaviors that you observed in the anemone show that it's a predator. If you have any questions on this assignment, please send me an email.